Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is your friend Zaid Afzaldar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you see all the notifications on time and every time. Today is Monday, 28 March 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in Saudi Arabia. Starting with the 1 gram price of the 24 carats gold without VAT price is 233.63 and with VAT is 268.67. For 22 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 214.48 and with VAT is 246.65. For 21 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 204.43 and with VAT is 235.09. For 18 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 175.22 and with VAT is 201.50. For 14 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 136.68 and with VAT is 157.18. For 10 carats gold, without VAT price is 97.43 and with VAT is 112.04. Last but not the least, 6 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 58.41 and with VAT is 67.17. I hope you'll find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and do share this video with your friends so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.